Mahiũ makiria ma 60,000 nimo marerikana monekanite makierekerio kaunti-ini ya Meru kuma kaunti-ini cia Isiolo, Samburu, Wajir na Laikipia, na mbere ererikana irathi na mbere kuongerereka amwe arĩithia a mahiũ kuma kaunti icio mari mihango-ini ya gucariria mahiũ mao irio ni undu wa ng'aragu iria ithiĩte na mbere kugumira bururi.
Ile mifugo ambayo imeingia kutoka Marsabit na Wajir na Isiolo ni 60,000 kufikia saa hizi 60,000 na wanaendelea kuingia. Kwa hivyo hiyo ndio sababu tutafanya mpango, na najua kamanda wa polisi katika county ako na mpango ambao atawajulisha.
Be rest assured that we have put measures in place to curb all that. We'll put a buffer zone now between the locals and the newcomers, and let the camels which have come as far as Wajir, cows which have come as far as from Marsabit, to graze in our lands, but with the provided security. Security will be provided both for the locals, people from the county, and also kwa wageni wetu.
Na kuona thina wa ng'aragu no uhutĩtie aikari a kaunti ya Meru, rĩu komanda wa borithi wa kaunti ũcio mũhaka-inĩ ni anĩrĩirie ihinda rĩa wĩhũge mũhaka-inĩ wa kaunti ĩyo, kuria augĩte nĩguo gũkorwo na abitha a borithi marahũra firigiceni mahinda-inĩ mothe nĩguo kũgacĩrithia thayũ na ũrũmwe.
Tutakuwa na kujenga amani kati ya hizo jamii ambazo zinazozana kwa sababu ya rasilimali chache iliyoko. Tutaanza kitu kinaitwa peace building.
But there will be some measures which will be put in place to curb any challenge of conflicts in terms of pasture, in terms of water. As you have heard, we have a lot of drought, we have a lot of hunger. This also brings a lot of challenges to our local population because of as scholars of psychology and scholars of criminology, somebody who is hungry can do anything to obtain food. So we are also prepared for that.
Na niguo kugitira mahiũ ma aikari a kaunti ya Meru kumana na mĩrimũ ĩrĩa ĩngĩkorwo ĩgũmĩire mahiũ ma arĩithia a kuma kaunti ingĩ, rĩu mahiũ mothe marĩa maraingĩrio kaunti ĩyo no mũhaka mariambaga kũmundwo njanjo.
Kuna mifugo wengi tu wametoka nje ya kaunti na wanaingizwa kwa wingi kwa malori usiku na mchana. Kwa hivyo tumeamua kama kamati, kila mifugo itakayoingia katika eneo la Meru kutoka nje ya Meru itachanjwa kwanza ndio iruhusiwe kukaa katika Meru, isije ikatuathiria mifugo wetu wa Meru.
Itemi-inĩ rĩa gũtigĩra aikari a Meru matiragũmĩrwo nĩ ng'aragu na njĩra nene, oho thirikari nĩ gũkorwo ĩkĩambĩrĩria tabarĩra ya kũheana ũteithio wa irio na maĩ kũrĩ bamĩrĩ iria igũmĩirwo nĩ ng'aragu na njĩra nene. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Kate Muthoni.